If you are an ambitious computer science student who wants a great job or internship, but you believe that good grades alone are enough to get you hired, then this video is for you. Today, we are not going to analyze job descriptions. We are going to tell you a story about the real world importance of practical experience, project portfolios, and your GitHub profile. Let's begin with two friends, Radha and Sita. Radha and Sita are two friends and are in the first semester of the final year away from their village. Radha is studying in the university campus and Sita is studying in an engineering college. Radha was a star student and her mind was library of algorithms and data structures. She topped in every exam and her grades are a shining testament of her theoretical knowledge. With these scores, she thought a great job was guaranteed. But the real world spoke a different language. Every job application she sent out came back with a polite no. All these rejection emails started to get a little blurry, but the keywords were particularly striking. Practical experience, project portfolio, and the mysterious of all is link to your GitHub profile. Sita, who wasn't the top of the class, one day called Radha to share her happiness for an internship offer. Radha, happy for her friend, congratulated and felt happy for Sita. Later in the conversation, Radha expressed her confusion and asked Sita how she could secure an internship offer. Sita, after the phone call, sent her resume to Radha. Radha is shocked by seeing Sita's resume filled with projects and a vibrant green grid showing the history of her work and her commits of her GitHub profile. Each achievement was a brick in the house she had built. From that resume, Radha realized that companies don't just want to know what you know, but they want to see what you do with it. Your projects will tell a story that you can solve problems, learn new things, and finish what you start. Feeling a spark of hope, Radha decided to build something. So she started building a simple web app to track her favorite books. The first line of code felt clumsy, and she hit bug after bug, and the walls of red error messages were filling her screen. But after solving every problem using the documentation and online forums, she felt a thrill. Each small victory, each commit to her own GitHub was a step forward. The empty grid of her profile began to fill with green squares, a testament to her persistence. Her small project is now growing. She added a new feature to recommend new books and another feature to share reviews. This wasn't perfect, but it was hers. She had woven her theoretical knowledge into something real and something tangible. With a newfound confidence, Radha updated her resume and proudly added the link for her GitHub profile. This time, she got an interview. In the interview, they didn't ask about her grades. They asked more about her book app. She spoke with passion about the challenges she faced and the joy of creating. Now, she wasn't a student with good scores anymore. She was a builder, a problem solver, and a developer. This is just not a story. It's a roadmap. The job description we analyzed this week, which I have linked in the description for you to see the proof yourself. All these descriptions demand this practical experience. So, like Radha, it's time for you to start building. But what should you build? To help you on this journey, our AI interviewer in the Learning Agent app is being designed to not only test your skills, but also to suggest project ideas based on what companies are hiring for. It's the perfect tool to help you fill your own GitHub grid with green squares. The link to get onto the list is in the description. That's it for this week's career roundup. My question for you is, what is the first project you are going to start building? Share your ideas in the comments. Let's inspire each other. See you next week. Till then, keep learning.